What's going on, guys? It's your bro Taylor here.
And your bro Ryan. We're back with a portfolio update. We're looking at week 15. Let's go ahead and jump into it. You guys know the drill. So this week I bought into ticker symbol CAR or Avis Budget. If you travel a lot, you've come across this. This is going to be when you go get a car rental service. It's going to be your budget. There's one separately that's called Avis. I think they own a couple of them, but they are mainly known for their car rental services. I never really thought of investing in them as a company. I didn't really look into them too much. But
Yeah.
from what I've seen, it doesn't look too bad. They had a pretty good earnings report, pretty good future projections. So we'll see how it goes.
Yeah. So are they kind of like a Hertz, just a rental car service?
Yeah, exactly. So if you go to all the rental car counters, you'll see budget, and then separately you'll see Avis, and then the big one everybody knows is Hertz, and what is the other big one?
That's the one I use.
Enterprise.
Yeah. Yeah, I see all those at the airport now that I think about it, so that makes sense.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, so this week I bought into DraftKings. Some people are pretty familiar with that. Ticker symbol DKNG. It's just like an online sports gambling platform and everything. It's definitely gained a lot of popularity over the years, so I'm pretty hopeful on it. A decent number of people are bullish. A couple people, of course, are hesitant on it. I think that's how both our stocks are kind of being analyzed right now, but I have high hopes for it.
I'm interested to see if a general population that is on DraftKings is in those type areas that don't have anything close by to go gamble without going across state lines. But who knows? So if more states introduce gambling, that means locally, that means it might hurt DraftKings, but more
for sure.
Maybe not, because maybe people just want their fix at home. Who knows?
Yeah. Hopefully, at least in the short term, because those changes would take a while to be implemented anyway. At least for this competition, this stock will serve me well.
Yeah, sure.
A stock that definitely isn't serving me well, at least today, is Roblox, my biggest loser. It was actually doing fairly well, being positive this week overall, until today. It dropped $30, like 30%, just plummeted.
God,
It was pretty heartbreaking because our portfolios, at least mine, was starting to do kind of good. It was starting to get closer to at least breaking even, which we want to see, obviously, being down for the past several weeks.
Yeah, for sure.
And it just plummeted out of nowhere. They did announce, some earnings that weren't quite what people were expecting. They still were growing, just not at the rate everyone was kind of anticipating. The growth has kind of started to, decelerate, I guess you could say. A lot of people are contributing this to the fact that, things are opening back up near the end of the pandemic, because during pandemic times, anything tech-based and, things that you could do inside was thriving, so Roblox was booming. Kids are going back into school. They announced, a little bit higher drop in earnings per share than what was anticipated, so some people became very skeptical and started selling out. A lot of people still say overall, if you hold this stock, it will perform well over time, just not at the rate everyone was kind of hoping for. So I think now people are kind of on it. But I'm hopeful that it'll recover because it was such a big drop today. Right now it's down like $20 overall, or for this week. It was up 10, but then dropped 30 today. So
I'm telling you,
one
dude,
kind of
like
really hurt.
All stocks for the most part. Well, I'm generalizing, obviously, but so many stocks right now are overhyped or overvalued that even not bad news, but not great news comes out and stuff like that happens. Like everybody has been hearing this quick get rich quick scheme or this quick like buy this cryptocurrency and you'll take off, buy this stock.
Yeah,
and you'll
investing
make
has become a popular fad.
It really has.
And not many people are actually doing their research, which throws a lot of things off. Makes certain things interesting, for sure, but a very turbulent time, because it's just become a popular thing. You're seeing it on like TikTok and us on YouTube and everything. We're on all these platforms as well. We're trying to actually give you guys some good information when we have the opportunity, but yeah, it's very easy to become an emotional investor where you sell out with the slightest sign of bad fortune or something. So
for sure,
crazy times we're just living in with the metaverse and everything. Everything is being more and more technology based. NFTs, metaverse, stocks, it's all becoming more and more popular. the key is to actually do your research, guys, and make sure you know what you're getting into.
And follow
For this
us.
competition, we're letting you guys kind of deciding. Like in our personal portfolios and everything, they've been doing fairly nice, but this one's been a bit more turbulent. But that was my biggest loser. My biggest winner definitely doesn't make up for the losses, but was Micron Technology. It went up a few dollars this week, so that's always good. It wasn't anything crazy or anything like that, but just some more whales recently, or have been buying in, are very bullish. So a lot of people are seeing people buy in. So it's just kind of gaining a little momentum this past week. So
yeah,
that's
my
good to
biggest
see.
loser's pretty much been one of my biggest losers this whole competition, which has been Pfizer. Pfizer had their huge skyrocket when the COVID thing kind of kicked off and all the vaccine news and all of that. But since then, they've kind of been pretty steady. So I don't lose a lot from them, but I don't gain a lot from them. I just kind of stay steady. This week they were my biggest loser. I think it was about $1, so not too bad. My biggest winner has been,
You poor thing.
I know, has been the same winner for a while now, was Plug Power. Plug Power, I'm telling you, I talked about this a couple of times. I do think if they stay on their plan, their trajectory, that what they're doing right now is good, and it's going to be good for the future. It's going to be huge for the future. So I personally am bullish, very bullish on Plug Power, and they're very reasonable stock to buy. They're not in the hundreds or thousands even like Amazon.
Yeah.
It's a future purchase that is a reasonable price. They don't pay a dividend, sadly, but so they were up about $10.30 this week alone. So it's pretty good.
Jeez.
Yeah, so I stand by that
Yeah.
purchase.
Dang, that is good. But that all being said, guys, we'll go ahead and get into the market value. Had we done this like yesterday, mine would have been a lot nicer than it is today.
Glad we did it
today I'm
today.
only at yeah. Well, today I'm at $854.79.
Okay, I'm at 908.03. So good little gap still, about $60.
Yeah, it's not the biggest gap we've had, but it did widen a little bit more. So.
Yeah. I'm just trying to keep my
We'll
separation
see.
just in case one of yours finally break.
Yeah. If Roblox can do a 180, that'd be nice. AMC actually went up a few dollars this past week, so maybe that'll.
I saw a news
gain
break
some-
about them, so yeah, that was something.
Yeah, maybe that'll gain a bit more momentum. That would be amazing if I was able to get all those losses back.
Well, as always,
yeah,
guys,
guys.
we like to keep this short. We like to keep this simple. We like to keep you guys updated. Go follow our Twitter. Our TikTok's doing pretty well, as well as obviously our YouTube channel is our main growth that we're trying to get a bigger audience on versus when we're doing the videos themselves and the shorts. Thank you guys for watching, and we appreciate you guys just staying with us on this.
Yeah, and be sure to check out this weekend. We're going to be posting our dividend stock video. Very excited about that one. And then the following week, we'll be getting out a credit card video for you guys. So we got some more stuff coming to you guys, some more original content that we hope you guys enjoy. But thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you guys next time.